Welcome to Eve Market Radio. I'm your host, Gregor Kaplan, on this Thursday, November 15th, 2018. Sorry about the delay in recording. I've been a little bit under the weather. You might hear a little bit of residual in there. I do apologize for that. Anyway, let's jump straight into Plex. Plex has been doing something interesting over the last couple days. Um, and it's been doing something interesting in that it has remained more or less level, if not trending upwards. Even though volume is going down as far as the day trading um, volume goes, the actual median day price is staying the same, if not seeing a couple little bumps going up. Same with the moving average 5-day and 20-day. So it is still a seller's market for Plex. If you can hold off buying right now, that's probably a good idea just because looking at the year over, we are approaching a Plex high, and Plex high usually means a Plex balloon. So if you can hold out till after Christmas, even after the new year, you're probably going to see that price go down, and you should be able to pick up Plex at a much better deal than right now. Plex is selling in G to 4-4. Usually helps if I turn my filters on, which they are. Sorry, give me 1 second. Jumps. Real quick thing for anybody who is wondering about the filter system. Always handy to turn those on if you want to see just stuff being sold in your station or region. So anyway, Jita 4.4 Plex is selling for 3.4. That's for quantity of 6,000, so pretty legitimate sale there. Buying, we have a couple smaller offers at 3.2, almost 3.3. And that looks like it's going to be pretty standard going down the board there. Moving on to our top 5 trades by volume. We'll start with Tritanium. Tritanium is selling in G244 for 4.68 ISK. It's buying for 4.64 ISK. Just to clarify, before I said 3.7, 3.4. That's 3.4 million ISK for the Plex. Tritanium, it's 4.68 ISK, just single ISK. Buying 4.64 ISK. Both those quantities look good. Price history on Tritanium, not expecting much. It's pretty much stagnant last couple days. Pyrite is selling in G244 for 3.47, buying for 3.26. Price history, we're seeing. Oh, right, because I have my filters on. Okay, give me 1 second. See if that fixes it. No. Okay. We just won't look at the price history. But right now, the volume at least should be accurate. Volume is down for Pyrite, as to be expected going into Thursday. You probably see a bump on it coming into Friday. I'm actually going to cancel recording this right now just because, unless I'm mistaken. Okay, they are showing the same. All right, so moving on to Noxium. Is selling in Jita for 299.96 ISK, buying at 281.08. That buy order for that is only 27,000 though. Next you jump up to a 3.5 million buy order, and that price is going to be for 281.07. Not much of a difference there. As far as our volumes go on Noxium, we had a spike yesterday, dip the day before, and a spike the day before that. So it's a little unpredictable right now. As far as the volume goes, the median day price at 293 is not bad. However, the Deutsche Antwort is still pretty tight. So if you get a trade Noxium, I suggest doing it in mass. Mexilon, we're looking at a sell price in JITA of 57.95 ISK, buying at 56.01 ISK. Price history, volume's down, and overall is trending downwards, especially since the beginning of the year. We're just below where our year-end prices were. In Isogen, don't expect much there. Volume down. The graph's way down on Isogen still. It just continues its slide. Selling in JITA for 14.37 and buying at 13.69. Those are your top 5 trades by volume. We'll move on to cap boosters real quick. Cap boosters, we'll look at just the usual suspects of cap 25s. They are selling in JITA for 197.84, buying at 100.52. That's a pretty decent spread and good quantities on the orders. Price history on them, volume is down. We saw a major spike yesterday as far as the cap booster 25s go. That's orders of 45, quantity of 30.54K. So that could have been people selling from coming out of the weekend. Could have been speculators. Who knows? Look at cap booster 75s. They are selling at 397.96, buying at 150.50. Price history, Deutsche still good. However, the moving average 5-day and 20-day are coming more into parity, and our median day price is up. Volume down. If you have cap booster 75s in stock, it might be a good time to hold them, just because we're down from the year average, and see if we can't get a bump on that before selling. Of course, your cap booster is completely up to you. Cap booster 100s is selling in JITA for 733.63, buying for 707.03. Price history, volume down, moving average down, and median day price down. And it is down from the start of the year, so not seeing much on those. 150s selling at 1989.64, buying at 1301.15, and buy orders for the 150s. You only have 4 of them. While quantity is good, number of buy orders not great. So of course volume low. Deutsche pretty spread because of them, and medium day price down. So if you're looking at speculating in some markets, don't get a lot of action. Might check out the cap booster 150s. Cap booster 200s selling at 2,699.93, buying at 658.15. Price history, we had a couple good spikes yesterday. Volume's up a little bit today as far as the average goes. Median day price is down, but not down by too much, and the moving averages are slightly down. Pardon me, just had to yawn for a second. Okay. Deutsche spread out a little bit, so it's pretty good on that. As far as actual quantities go and sell orders, there's quite a few of them. So I would say cap booster 200s remain one of the better market gambles. Last, we'll check out cap booster 800s unless something happened in the 3200 market. Not really. So cap booster 800s, you're looking at selling in JITA for right around 4,000. It's 4,003.99, buying at 3,334.60, and the price history, Deutsche's pretty good spread. Median day value is it's about on par for the last couple months. Year end, we're down slightly. Volume-wise, volume is low, but not the lowest it's ever been. And moving averages are trending slightly downwards. So that is it for your standard cap boosters. We'll skip Navy cap boosters, move right into skill injectors and extractors. For your skill extractors, they're selling in G244 for 382.9 into infinity million, and that's quantity of 9. Quantities aren't going to be great for skill extractors because of what they are, skill extractors. They're buying for 367.2 million. Price history over the last couple months, they have definitely seen a increase. Looks like they might be leveling out though, as the moving average for 5-day, 20-day, and the median day price all come into parity. The Doinchan, while we see a bit of a spike there, that's just day trading. That is projected to just stay even with what we've had. As far as volume goes, 552 orders for a quantity of 1887. So pretty good. Over a year, it's leveling off from its highest peak mid-December. However, if you own skill extractors, it's probably a good time to sell. If you're looking to buy skill extractors, I'd hold off on that just because it is reaching one of its higher points. That's, of course, if you don't need them. If you do need skill extractors, well, hey, everybody needs that ISK. Market data on small skill injectors. We're looking at selling in G244 at 154.8 million, buying at 144 million. As far as volume goes, volume is down, but that's expected to rise. The moving average 5 and 20 day is trending upwards, and looks like median day price is up quite a bit, actually. So if you're looking, since we're down from the start of the year, if you're looking at buying small skill injectors, now might be coming to the cusp of getting in on a lower market. I would expect small skill injectors to go up a little bit just as we go into December. Kind of come back into line with the December boost of last year. Large skill injectors, volume's looking pretty good on that. They are selling at G244 for 746.9 million, buying at 711.6 million. Looks like the moving averages are trending upwards, median day price trending upwards. However, looking at it over the year, it's still quite low. So just like the small skill injectors, now would be a good time to buy into the skill injector market if that's something you want to do. If you're looking to capitalize on any boost that the holiday seasons get. Again, that boost could absolutely not happen. Really depends on a lot of other factors, both in-game and out-of-game. But that is your EVE market report. Again, my name is Gregor Kaplan. I hope you all had a good time. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And feel free to drop me a comment if there's anything you would like us to cover in future episodes. Safe flying, everybody.